Honorable Director Sir, Managing Director Sir, Principal Sir, teachers and dear my classmates. Good morning to all of you. I am Satyam Kumar of Standard 9 and we are here explaining you about microscope. So basically we are explaining you microscope, types of light microscope, simple microscope, compound microscope, different parts of compound microscope and their function. So for further explanation I want to call Vivek Dungi.
Hello everyone, good morning to all. My name is Vivek Dundu and I am here to tell you about what is microscope. So, what is microscope? Microscope is an instrument which is used to see small object which we can't see with our naked eyes. Basically, there are two types of microscope based on its simplicity. First is light microscope, second is electron microscope. For further explanation, I want to call Jwala Prasad.
My name is Jwala Prasad Mato of Standard 9 and my topic is types of light microscope. There are two types of light microscope. First, compound microscope. Second, simple microscope. But my topic is compound microscope. It is the type of light microscope which observes the minute things. Second, its magnification is 300 to 1500 times. It can place anywhere to you. Now the further explanation I would like to invite Atri.
Hello everyone, as myself Atri Kumari of class 9A, today I will explain about single convex lens, converging lens of a short focal length. The object to be focused is placed within the focal length of the lens. This produces an enlarged virtual and erect image toward the object itself. Therefore, it simply acts as a magnifying glass. Now, I will say about the parts of simple microscope. From eyepiece, we will see the object which is placed on the slide at the stage. This is a slide holder and the light which is produced will reflect to the reflector or mirror. This is the knob from where we will adjust to see the object to clear. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is MD Nasran of 9M. My topic is different parts of compound microscope. First, eyepiece. Second, body tube. Third, resolving nose piece. Fourth, objective lens. Fifth, stage clips. Sixth, condenser lens. Seventh, reflector. Eighth, coarse adjustment knob. Ninth from adjustment knobs. 10th, the arm. Thank you. That's all from me. Now I would like to...
My name is Satyam Kumar of Standard 9 and I am here to tell you about different parts of compound microscope and their functions. First, eyepiece. It forms an enlarged and erect image of the object. It is inserted in the body tube. Next, body tube. It separates the body tube and the objective lens. Next, resolving nose piece. It fixes the objective lens. Next, objective lens. It forms an initial inverted and enlarged image of the object. Next, stage clips. It holds the slide in the stage. Next, condenser lens. It gathers the light from the light source which concentrate it into a cone of light which allows the observer to see the specimen more clearly. Next, reflector or mirror. It acts as light or reflector which allows the observer to see the specimen more clearly. Next, fine adjustment knobs. Rapid control which quick focusing by movement of objective lens. Next, fine adjustment knob. It makes fine adjustment to the focus. Next, the base. It supports the microscope. At the last, the arm. It joins the eyepiece to the base and base to the head. It also used for carrying instruments. Conclusion from my topic is microscope is very important instrument because it helps us to see very small particles which we cannot see by our naked eyes like cells, bacteria, fungi, etc. That's much from us. Thank you.